Assalamualaikum for class. I'm a skills teacher. Open your book. As we are studying the ninth chapter of grammar review based on grammar usage, that how we can use grammar in our daily routine, daily life. So we were studying the ways of forming the plurals of nouns, that how we can make the plurals of nouns that are available to us in singular form. So there are many rules, very important rules and very easy rules. So let's revise that what we have studied in our previous lectures. First was most noun form their plurals by adding s to the singulars, means to say we only add s to the singulars and they will become plural. For example, rose and roses. रूल नंबर 2, नाउन्स एंडिंग विद these letters जिनके एंड पे ये लेटर्स आएंगे लाइक एस डबल एस एक्स एस एच और सी एच, we will form their plurals by adding es to the singulars. For example, bush, bushes, gas, gases. See the next page. Rule number 3 was if the noun ends in y and the y has a consonant before it, कोई vowel नहीं है, constant है, its plural is formed by changing y into ies. Then we will simply remove y and put ies. For example, berry, consonant है y से पहले, so we will remove y and put ies. It will become berries. Cherry, cherries. Army, armies. Rule number 4, but if the noun ends in y and the y has a vowel before it, vowel है before y, and its plural is formed by adding s to the singulars. For example, essay, essays, monkey, monkeys, valley, valleys. Alright, अगर y से पहले consonant है, we will convert y into ies, and if there is a vowel before it, we will simply put s. Rule number 5, we have noun ending in f or fe form plurals by changing f or fe into ves. If we have f or fe letters in the last of the nouns, we will change them into ves, like leaf, leaf. Rule number 6, but the following nouns form the plural by simply adding s to the singular. These are the exceptional cases with which we use only s, like golf, golves, chief, chiefs, proof, proofs. Rule number 7, we have the noun ending in o if they have a consonant and before them, generally form their plurals by adding es to the singulars. If we have singular nouns and they end in o, then we will just put es, like mango, mangoes, tomato, tomatoes. Rule number 8, the following nouns form their plurals by change of the inside vowel. Sometimes we make the plurals of the singular nouns by just changing the vowels that are present in them, like man, man, woman, woman, foot, feet. Rule number 9, the following nouns form their plurals in en, like child, children, ox, oxen. See here how we can change the compound nouns into their plural forms, like father-in-law, fathers-in-law, son-in-law, sons-in-law, mother-in-law, mothers-in-law, step-mothers, step-sons, governors-general, passers-by, man-servants. See here, the following nouns have same form of plurals as for the singular, mean to say that they have the same singular and plural form, alike forms they have. Alright, just based on their numbers. अगर एक से ज़्यादा है, more than one, it will be declared as plural. If it's a singular, no more than one, so we will not declare it as a plural form. It will be declared as singular. For example, bring me 1 dozen mangoes. ठीक है, dozen include 12 mangoes. Bring me 1 dozen mangoes. 1 means a single, one single digit. It will be declared as singular. He gave us 2 dozen mangoes. 2, more than 1, it will be declared as plural. There was a sheep in the field. Only one sheep is we are talking about here, so it will be declared as singular. There were sheep in the field. Were is the verb, a helping verb that is used for plurals forms. All right, so we will declare it as a plural. I saw deer in the words. मैंने जंगल में हिरन देखा, एक हिरन देखा, singular. I saw 2 deer in the word. Means to say that the nouns are same, sheep, dozen, and deer, but two, were, 1, 2. These are the words, these are the mean to say the numbers that are categorizing either the word is singular or plural. He caught a fish. He saw a lot of fish swimming together in the pond. Here a fish means singular, a lot of fish means plural. Study the following example. An orange grows on tree. Oranges grow on trees. A dog has a tail. Dogs have tails. All right. So this is your today's lecture. And this is your task. Exercise number 1 is your task that you will do at home, like how we can make these plurals. I'll summarize you one time in my next video, but you have to do this question at home. All right. Army, R means ropes. While following the rules, you have to solve this question. So this is your today's lecture. A very easy concept is here. That how we can make plurals by just seeing these numbers, and some noun have same form for the plurals as well as the singulars. So this is your today's lecture. Hope the concept is quite clear. Thank you.